Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Welcome to the Vault of Civilizations, where we redefine the complete bathroom system.
Inside this massive factory, thousands of ceramic toilet bowls are produced daily.
The raw materials are precisely combined in our state-of-the-art mixers, ensuring a consistent ceramic slip for the molding process.
The moisture levels are holding steady.
Viscosity and composition are well within tolerance.
Excellent. We'll monitor the transfer.
These giant storage tanks hold liquid ceramic material for continuous production.
Following preparation in the storage tanks, the slip is released into the waiting molds, beginning the critical shaping process.
We're seeing optimal saturation levels across the curvature.
Agreed. The recapture system is handling the overflow perfectly.
Inside these molds, the future toilet bowl begins taking its form.
Once the clay has cured, the plaster molds are separated, revealing the pristine ceramic shape that you see here, ready for the next stage.
Carefully selected minerals and clays create durable ceramic products used worldwide.
The secret behind every flawless toilet bowl begins with this precise blending process, where engineers balance clay.
Every batch undergoes rigorous laboratory testing, because even the smallest variation in thickness or strength can...
These giant storage vessels hold enough liquid ceramic material to produce thousands of toilets daily, maintained at the...
Casting technology produces thousands of identical toilet bowls with precision. Workers carefully extract delicate ceramic pieces from their plaster molds. Human craftsmanship remains essential alongside advanced automation in manufacturing. Automated guided vehicles transport fragile ceramic bowls safely through the factory. Climate-controlled chambers remove moisture slowly to prevent cracking problems.
Before the giant kilns can work their magic, every dried bowl must pass this detailed inspection, where precision...
After careful drying and inspection, these fragile ceramic bodies are organized onto special carts before entering the high...
Extreme heat in industrial kilns permanently hardens the ceramic structure.
During this intense firing cycle, the ceramic transforms at a molecular level as extreme heat bonds all materials.
Simple clay transforms into strong ceramic toilet bowls through heating.
Every fired ceramic piece must pass with strict visual inspection, because even a tiny imperfection can...
The next stage creates the smooth and brilliant white finish people recognize in modern bathrooms as a special ceramic. Precision robots apply the glossy glaze layer with incredible accuracy, ensuring every surface receives the perfect coatings.
Although robots handle the majority of the work, skilled human technicians remain vital as they carefully refine.
After glazing, the bowls return to the kiln for this second firing.
The toilet bowl completes its transformation through the extraordinary kiln process. Precision drilling creates openings and connection points for proper installation.
Inside every toilet bowl is a carefully engineered water pathway that controls flushing performance, and engineers inspect the...
Computer technology optimizes toilet comfort, water conservation and performance. Automated polishing creates smooth premium surfaces for high-quality bathroom products. Factories produce different designs and finishes for evolving style preferences. Toilet seats are manufactured through their own advanced production journey. Carefully selected plastic materials become comfortable seats for millions worldwide. Heating systems melt plastic into precise liquid form for molding. High-pressure molding transforms liquid plastic into perfectly shaped toilet seats. Workers inspect every curve against strict manufacturing standards and measurements.
After molding, every toilet seat undergoes detailed finishing, where sharp edges are carefully removed and smoothed.
Automated polishing systems give each seat its final smooth texture and glossy appearance. Tours. Every toilet seat requires exact measurements for installation, and advanced drilling machines create perfect mounting points.
Skilled workers install soft close hinges for smooth, durable seat operation.
Today's bathroom technology continues evolving beyond traditional designs, as factories produce smart toilet seats with sensors.
Antibacterial coatings improve hygiene and sanitation in homes and facilities. Visual inspection checks color, texture, and surface quality before assembly.
advancements. The two major parts of the toilet finally come together as skilled assembly teams carefully match ceramic bowls with their seats.
Modern factories use advanced equipment to install important components quickly and accurately, ensuring every bolt and fitting is perfectly positioned for reliability and safety.
After countless stages of engineering and assembly, the toilet has finally become a complete product.
Water flow tests measure flushing power and drainage efficiency performance. High-pressure tests verify cleaning ability and water consumption simultaneously.
Today's factories focus on efficiency as much as performance, developing advanced flushing systems that reduce water consumption.
A toilet seat must withstand years of repeated use, and these testing machines apply controlled pressure to verify.
These machines simulate years of daily opening and closing, proving that the mechanisms can perform reliably over time before being approved for customer installation.
Although ceramic appears delicate, advanced manufacturing makes it extremely strong, and these impact tests.
Brochure. Laboratory teams carefully examine ceramic surfaces to ensure the glazed finish remains smooth, easy to clean.
Final inspection confirms appearance, construction, and performance standards are met.
This mass operation is a tech control center.
After passing every test, millions of toilet products wait inside this enormous warehouse.
After passing every quality test, these finished products enter the final stage as advanced packaging systems protect them for their global journey.
Protective foam layers keep ceramic toilets safe during transportation. Toilet seats receive careful wrapping to arrive in perfect condition. Robotic boxing machines handle thousands of packages with speed accuracy.
Every product receives a unique identity before leaving the factory, as tracking systems allow manufacturers to follow each shipment and maintain quality control.
Even after packaging, the inspection process continues as teams verify labels, packaging strength, and
advanced inventory systems organize thousands of products for customer orders.
The next step is transportation, as special equipment carefully loads these products onto trucks, because protecting the
From this factory, toilets begin a global journey through complex supply chains to reach homes, hotels, hospitals, and buildings.
The hidden story behind toilets reveals extraordinary manufacturing journeys. Manufacturers test installation conditions to ensure safe, comfortable bathroom systems. Training ensures every toilet performs correctly after factory installation.
Modern bathroom technology continues evolving as factories combine traditional ceramic manufacturing.
Engineers test sensors and automated systems for safe, reliable operation. Toilets have become part of modern interior design and luxury. Waste materials are recycled and reused to reduce environmental impact. Maintenance keeps machines operating smoothly for consistent daily production.
This massive factory represents the perfect combination of human skill, advanced technology, and industrial.
Vault of Civilizations reveals how toilet bowls and seats are made.
So hello guys, welcome back to another short note inside a Gantt toilet factory, how millions of toilets, bowls and seats are made. This documentary takes viewers inside a massive toilet manufacturing factory to discover how everyday bathroom products are created. This journey begins with raw materials like clay, minerals and special components that can carry carefully mixed to create strong ceramic materials. Advanced machines then shape this mixture into perfect toilet bowl designs. After molding, the bowls are dried, glazed and fired inside a huge industrial kilns at extreme temperature to make them strong, smooth and durable. This documentary also shows how toilet seats are produced using modern plastic molding technology. Workers and machines shapes, polish and assemble each seat with hinges and advanced features. Every toilet bowl and seat goes through strict quality tests including strength check, water flow testing and surface inspection. This amazing factory journey reveals how since engineering and skilled workers came together to create comfortable, hygienic and reliable toilets to home, hotels and buildings around the world. If you like this documentary, kindly do like, subscribe and follow Vault of Civilization, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.